and I'm going to teach you a very interesting chapter from a very interesting subject, which is biology. Our chapter is chapter number 7, Control and Coordination. But before going into the chapter, I want to ask you some questions. What happens when you see tasty, delicious, yummy food? Saliva comes out from your mouth suddenly. You don't have to think for it. You see something which is very delicious, saliva suddenly comes out from your mouth. How do you feel when somebody hurt you? We feel like sad. We feel like cry. What do we do when we feel cold? We shiver. Now my question is, who is controlling these emotions inside your body? Who is telling us to shiver when we feel cold? Who is telling us to cry when somebody is hurting us? Who is telling us to laugh when we are happy? There is something inside our body which is controlling our body and our emotions. But who and how it is controlled? What is that thing which is controlling, regulating emotions inside our body? Yes, friends, this is the chapter which will tell you about this. The chapter, Control and Coordination. So let's study this chapter in detail. Bio. Bio means life. And life consists of living organisms. There are so many living organisms around us, which include plants, animals, microorganisms. And all living organisms are made up of cells. What is cell? Cell, it is the basic structural functional unit of life. We all have started our lives from a single cell inside mother's womb. This cell divided from 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8. It gave rise a group of cells which is called as tissue. So group of cells are called as tissue. Now, these tissues, they again divide. Group of tissues together, they form an organ. Let's see some organs of our body. This is the brain, the most important organ. Lungs, heart, stomach, intestine. We have gallbladder, we have liver. Group of tissues are called as organs. But if we just place these organs one after other, can our organism work? No. These organisms, they come together. These organs, they come together to form an organ system. You can clearly see liver, pancreas, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. They all work together to give rise a new system called as digestive system. Similarly, we have respiratory system. We have circulatory system. And when all these systems, they work together, they form an organism. When all these systems, respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system, nervous system, every system, they work together, they form an organism. But now the question is, how does this organism function?